Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Here at Mad About Skin, we're passionate about helping you to get the most out of your skincare. So if you haven't already, now's a fantastic time to click that link below, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and you won't miss out on any of our amazing future content. Now, in today's video, we're going to be covering a viral skincare product. Now, the eagle eye amongst you will notice this is a product I've already covered on this channel before. But since then, not only have we got over 1,000 more subscribers, so there's loads of people that might have missed out on that video, but this product has gone viral on TikTok. And it pains me every time I see a video on this product. People are applying it wrong, using it incorrectly, and it is such a high-powered, high-strength product. It's not something that should be used lightly. If you use it right, it is game-changingly fantastic. If you use it wrong, it can really damage your skin. So today, I'm going to talk you through the pros, the cons, and how to use the Ordinary Peeling Solution. This is a 30% alpha hydroxy acid, 2% beta hydroxy acid, salicylic and glycolic mixed together. Perfect combination for that once a week gorgeous exfoliation. I'm going to apply it, I'm going to talk you through how to use the product, I'm going to use the pros and cons and who it's applicable for. Now, before I start with all of that, I do want to say, if you haven't seen my video yesterday, where have you been? But if you didn't see my video yesterday, which was covering retinols at the drugstore, unfortunately, I apologise for the redness around my nose. I had an allergic reaction to a product I used, a holistic product, actually a natural product, so it does go to show you can still be allergic to natural product I used for hay fever. Went disastrously wrong, and now I'm peeling, I'm red, it's irritated, it's just a bit of a nightmare. So we're going to gloss over that, we're going to ignore it for this video. Also, we'll explain why I'm not going to be applying this product anywhere near that area because, well, you can imagine the pain of applying this on broken skin. So, first of all, before we talk through it, I'm going to show you how to apply this product. Then we're going to get into the logistics of who and when and how and all of that. So, the product, like a lot of the Ordinary products, comes in dropper form. So you would have seen people on TikTok smearing this with the dropper, letting it run down. Please, 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 please do not do that. I saw one girl that did that and it got so close to her eye, and this is a super strength product. This product is so strong, it's not actually available for sale in Australia. It's actually been banned in Australia. So we're talking a very, very strong product and one that shouldn't be used lightly. So just bear that in mind, guys, and please don't do the TikTok drip, drip, drip. So it looks like blood. I get it. It's Instagram friendly, but it is really bad. So what you need to do is take this product. I would put it on a surface because it does stain. We'll get onto the colour in a minute. And I just drop it into my hand like that. Now, half a pipette is more than enough to cover your face. So you don't want to be using a full pipette, just half is enough. And then get that, and I am going to be looking in the camera as I do this, and I'm just going to pop that on my skin like that. Now I'm going to keep my glasses on because do you know what? It shouldn't be going anywhere near the eye contour area, so it doesn't matter about having your glasses on. Cover the areas that you want to cover. Focus on that T-zone. It's got BHA acids in here, so it's fantastic for oily skin, particularly around the T-zone. And then just the end of the nose. Be very careful with my nose because of the allergy that I spoke of before. And that's that. That is it. That is the product applied. Now, a lot of you will be shocked at how that doesn't look like the blood red gore fest that people see online. The simple reason for that is because they're using too much. You do not need to use, I'll come in closer so you can see the redness there. See that? That is the application you need. This is a really strong product and should be applied thinly and sparingly to the skin. So, while that sits and does its work, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the product. So, what is it? Well, this has been around for ages, and I don't know why it's all of a sudden just become viral and got out there in the public consciousness. This product is fantastic. It is designed as a weekly exfoliant. The Ordinary are really clear on their website, and I love them for this. They are always very upfront, and they said this is used once a week. That's it. I don't want to see people. I saw someone on TikTok the other day, actually no, I think it was Instagram, saying that they use it every day to clear their acne. Really, that's not, it is not that strength of product that allows you to do that. Once a week is absolutely fine. You can use this with your daily exfoliator. So I use a daily toner. I'm currently using the Pixi Glow Tonic, but you can use any daily exfoliator. You can absolutely still use this in conjunction with that. Just on the day that you use this, miss the daily exfoliator, so you're not doubling up on exfoliators, if that makes sense. And what is it? Well, it's a 30% alpha hydroxy acid. That is very strong. Doesn't actually say what the pH is specifically the alpha hydroxy acid, just to the product all over, but the pH is 3.6. So that is reasonably strong acidity. That's absolutely perfect for that once a week deep exfoliation. It's not suitable for use every single day. They've combined the alpha hydroxy acid with a beta hydroxy acid, salicylic acid, which we all know if you've been following this channel is fantastic at getting into the pores. It attaches itself to sebum and it draws out the oils, the impurities, the dirt, the things that are just going to clog your skin. So this is perfect. Who do I think it's applicable for? Right. Absolutely perfect for people with combination skin, because it's really dealing with that issue of the maybe the little dullness, the dryness, the peeling you might have. The alpha hydroxy acid will deal with that. The oil, the greasy T-zone, the beta hydroxy acid will deal with this. So this is a combination skin person's dream product. It's also fantastic for people like me with oily skin. I absolutely would not recommend this product for anyone with sensitive skin. It's just too strong for that. And certainly not for anyone with dry skin, because you're going to be just drawing out that oil and drying out the skin further. There are some fantastic exfoliators out there for dry skin. I'll link a video I did on exfoliators in general, so you can choose from those that are applicable to dry skin. This is not that product. I use it to supercharge once a week, supercharge my exfoliation game by just really getting to grips and doing a thing. It's called a peel. That's a little bit misleading because there is no peeling. You should not get a peel with this in the way that you think you might get a chemical peel. I've had chemical peels in the past, nothing like this product. They're much, much, much more acidic and they have much higher concentration of the acid. So this is not a peel. It's called the peeling solution, which I feel is a little bit misleading, but it's not. It's just a very deep, robust weekly exfoliation. So people said, can you just use this? Do away with your daily exfoliation, save that skincare step and just use the weekly exfoliation. Yeah. Absolutely, you could do that. I don't think you get as much benefits as if you were doing a daily exfoliation with this as well. However, absolutely, you can use this once a week and call that your exfoliation. It's infinitely better than not exfoliating at all. And for people on the go, you might be busy, you might be rushed. For people on the go, absolutely, once a week on a Sunday evening, pop this on, 15 minutes later, you rinse it off. Really clear. I just make sure you always follow the instructions because it is a very strong product and I can't stress that enough. So, pros and cons. Well, the big pro for me is it works. I've been using this religiously for the past year. I got on this bandwagon way before it went viral and I love, love, love the product. There are dupes out there. I know Paula's Choice does a similar product, slightly weaker. There are dupes out there, but at the price point, and this is another massive pro, not only does it work, but it's under £10 here in the UK, under $15 in the US. You can't argue with that price point for a product that is this well formulated and works this well. This is a fantastic exfoliator. It's cheap, it does exactly what you want it to do, and it works really well to just get all of that dead skin cells off and remove all that excess oil from the skin and leave you looking fresh, glowing, and ready. Now, another pro I would say with this is the instructions that they give with you. They could not be clearer. So if you are using this product incorrectly, and everybody seems to be using it incorrectly when it comes to Tick Tock, Instagram and online, it is not the Ordinary's fault. They have been really, really clear with how to use this product, how often you should use this product and who should use this product. So props to the Ordinary. People just decide in their wisdom to not follow the experts' instructions and to do it their own way, which you pay the price if you do that. So absolutely, props to them for being really honest with the ingredient list, with the pH is really clear. Everything's really transparent. The how to use, absolutely fantastic. Now, this is not a perfect product. In an ideal world, it would be uncoloured. There is absolutely zero reason for that depth of colour in this product. The only reason I think that they've done this is because it's marketing. It looks like blood. It's got the gore factor. It's got that Instagram ready. In fact, I'm surprised it's taken the best part of a year and a half for this product to take off online, because it is just perfect for Instagram, and I understand why they've done it. However, you know me, I love my skincare to be unfragranced and uncoloured. These are things which could react to the skin and increase sensitivity in the skin, and you just don't need them in your skincare. They don't belong there, and I don't know why they're there. So, The Ordinary, if you're out there and you're listening, please do a colour-free version of this, because I would snap it up and I would buy it in a heartbeat, because it'd be so much better. So that's a con. Another con, I think, for me is calling it the peeling solution. I'd hate for people to buy this and feel that it's the equivalent of a chemical peel. I have done many chemical peels in my time, both on other patients and on myself, and this is nothing like a chemical peel. If you wanted a chemical peel that was similar to this, I would recommend a Jesner's peel. go to a dermatologist, go to an esthetician, go see a professional and ask for a Jesnus peel which combines these two acids with retinol and with other ingredients and will really, really create a good deep peel, particularly focusing on pigmentation and texture. So if pigmentation and texture are your issues, which this is fantastic at fighting, but you want a peel, you're going to need to go and get a Jesnus peel. You are not going to get the same results from this product, even with regular weekly use. So I would like them to be a little bit more careful with the terminology, because I hate for people to be buying this thinking they're getting a peel when they're not. Other than that, I think it's an absolutely flawless product. I don't have much more to say. The price point's great, the product great, the formulation's great. If you took the colour out ordinary, I'd give you 10 out of 10. All I'd say, guys, is make sure you use this properly. The dropper is there to dispense hygienically onto your hand, not to drop all over the face. A super strength acid like this does not belong anywhere near the eye area or the risk of getting it in the eye area. Just be super careful with how you apply it and make sure you're using it as per the instructions. So guys, have you ever used this product? Is this product something you would use? Is it something you've heard about and it's just not for you? Tell me all about it. I'd love to know in the comments below. I know loads of people that have tried this and raved about it. I do have a couple of friends that just didn't get on with the product. It was a little bit too strong for them. Let me know your opinions. As you can see, guys, this is drugstore, but I just think, why pay more when you can get this at the drugstore? That's always been my mantra, and I think it's something we should definitely stick to and promote. As you can see on my skin, it's a thin layer that you're supposed to be applying, not a thick layer, and it's supposed to be done in a controlled manner using your heart and your fingers, and absolutely not dropping it all over your face. So I hope that clarifies that. And I would give you one pro tip: make sure you've got a towel, an old towel. This is a really old towel handy, because you're going to want to wipe your face after you've washed it and your hands after you've used it, and the red stains. When I first got this, I used it on my new white bath sheet and I never got to use that bath sheet again, and it cost a fair amount of money, so I was a bit upset about that. It's not upset that I stopped using the product, but just have an old towel ready, because it's a messy treatment, let's just put it like that. Right guys, I hope you found this video useful. Follow us over on Instagram at SkinMad, because we'd love to see you over there, and we've got some fantastic content coming up and I don't want you to miss out on that. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment to let me know, have you used this product? Will you use this product? What are your thoughts? Until the next one guys, wherever you are, hope you're staying safe and well, and I love you lots. Take care, bye.